Phonogram patterns and letter patterns are very useful to readers and writers. Once you become adept at recognizing patterns, you can apply this knowledge to improve your reading proficiency as well as your ability to spell words accurately. Learning to work with patterns will also strengthen your awareness of word parts and increase your flexibility in working with words. Listen for patterns of sound and use patterns of letters in a word to spell the word. Here's your activity for today. So you're going to be given a list of words. You are to read the word, write or type the word in the correct column, and then add at least 3 words not on the list to each column. Here's what it looks like. So you'll just click in here, and so for attack would go right here. And if you'd like, you may insert a shape over that word attack in your list so that you don't even have to look at it anymore and you've already used it.